Good morning, traders. My name is John Paul, DayTradeToWin.com. Today is September 13th, 2011.
Order pending. Order filled.
All right, so I'm filled here long 1163, going for 15 contracts. The ATR is above 4, going for 4 points. That is roughly 16 ticks on the Emini S&P. About almost $3,000, I think it is. Profit is what I'm after here. And I see that there are a few people here in the room that are not supposed to be here. And so I don't have anything scheduled for today. And so let me address you guys here in the room momentarily, but I am taking this long. For those of you who showed up, you guys snuck into my trade here unexpectedly. All right, guys. Glenn and Nick Zach here. Glenn Bueller, Nick Zach. I'm not sure if you guys are scheduled for this morning. If you guys can hear me, Glenn and Nick. I'm in a trade currently right now, making about 3 to 4 points here. Are you guys scheduled to come in this morning? The class starts at 11 o'clock, but I think you guys may have... Is it this from last week, guys? Glenn and Nick, for the power price action last week? We had I had a webinar, a free webinar for traders last week.
Target filled.
All right, guys, there you go. Guys, I did a webinar last week for the power price action, and you may have used the same link to come in right now, but I don't have anything scheduled. What you saw there was it's just me trading. I usually trade in the morning. You guys caught the tail end of it. We have there is the at the open method and the Atlas line, and so it was kind of an unannounced. Do you have any questions for me while I have you guys here? Oh, it's Friday the 9th. Okay. Nick, do you have any questions for me? Anything you guys are interested in, Atlas line or the power price action, questions for me on how I trade the price? Okay. So here is the currency. Okay. Here is the this is the 6E, the euro. Here's the Atlas line. What happened today? All right. Just so you know, Glenn and Jay Trader, and Nick, I don't have anything scheduled here. This is just me taking some trades this morning. So if you were trading the currency, Glenn, just to answer your question, this would have been the answer, the Atlas line trade. All right. You guys have any questions for me? All right. If there are no questions, I'm going to close down the room, and I will send out. I do these webinars twice a month, teaching webinars. I'm showing you guys the Atlas line, teaching you guys a little something. But today I don't have anything scheduled. Just you guys happen to pop in the room. You got it, Glenn. Have a great day up in Canada. All right. Jay Trader, Nick, have any questions for me? I'm going to shut down the room now. All right. There's nothing scheduled for today. All right, guys. Have a good rest of the week. I'll email you guys with the next webinar date. All right. Thank you, Glenn. Good trading to you as well. Bye-bye now.